I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Pooser app. First, open the application and select a model from the available options, which include male, female, and even animal figures. You can choose from a variety of body types, from forehead ratio to realistic proportions. Once your model is loaded, you can either select a pre-made pose from the extensive library or begin adjusting the model from a neutral standing position. This initial setup is straightforward, allowing you to quickly get started on your artistic reference. Now, let's dive into posing your model. Pooser offers incredibly sensitive controls, allowing you to tap on any joint and drag it to your desired position. For more precise adjustments, use the 3-axis sliders to fine-tune rotations and movements. You can also enable a grid and perspective tools to ensure your pose looks correct from various angles. The app even includes a mirroring function, which is super helpful for creating balanced and symmetrical stances with just one tap. Beyond basic posing, Pooser provides extensive customization options to bring your scenes to life. You can adjust specific model features, including limb thickness, body shape, and even detailed facial expressions like eyes and mouth. Explore a library of over 200 accessories, from hairstyles to weapons, to equip your figures. A powerful lighting system allows you to set directional and backlights, controlling their strength and angle to cast realistic shadows and establish the perfect mood for your reference image. Once you've perfected your pose and scene, saving and exporting are simple. You can save your individual poses or entire multi-model scenes directly within the app, allowing you to revisit and modify them anytime. When you're ready to use your reference, export the image as a PNG file. This option includes a transparent background, making it incredibly easy to import into your favorite drawing software like Procreate or Clip Studio Paint, and layer it directly into your artwork. Your creative process just got a whole lot smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.